A man was having a mental health crisis. His father and brother called the police for help. The father and brother were told to stay back. The brother started for the house to check on the kids and he was tackled from behind. That's the caller being tased? Yep, that's the caller being tased. That's what happens when you call the police in Fort Worth.
I'm filming her. I'm right here.
Now. On the grass.
This is my house.
I don't care. On the grass now.
Yeah, this is just like all the videos I see on TV and you guys get sued. Get sued and lose your job. Lose your job. He didn't do anything.
Lift me up. I can't do anything.
You're a grown man. Get up.
My feet hurt. I can't get up. I'm not.
He's on disability.
I'm 90% disabled Air Force vet.
Did they just tase him?
Yeah. He didn't. They told him to stay over here, and he said he was going in. You're a witness?
I saw it.
Okay, we're a witness. You guys are losing your job. Yeah, I will. Police department. This is what our country's coming to. Anarchy. The police will do anything. They don't obey the laws.
This is what happened when Jackie Craig called the police because the neighbor choked her son. The neighbor said that he choked him because he littered. Mrs. Craig said he has no business touching her son, and listen to what the cop had to answer. Listen carefully.
Okay, I got a problem with these people here. Okay. As you see, the comments run fresh here. Okay. They make all the big fuss out of it. As them speakers, they don't want to do this. You want to start the comments first in here? Okay. So what's going on with you?
My daughter and son came home saying that this man grabbed him and choked him. I came around here and asked him, I said, why did you put your hands on my son? He said, oh, he threw some paper. I said, and I told him to pick it up. He said my son didn't pick it up. He defined him, so that's why he did it. Instead of following him home, he said, but y'all don't even live here. It doesn't matter where we live. You don't have the right to grab and choke nobody's son.
Okay.
Nobody. So I have a problem with that. My son is 7 years old. You don't have the right to grab him, choke him behind no paper that he threw. What you should have done, because we have been living here for years, so you know that my house is a door in between yours. You could have came to me. Don't put your hands on my son.
All right. Well, why don't you teach your son not to litter?
He can't prove to me that my son littered. But it doesn't matter if he did or didn't. It doesn't give him the right to put his hands on it.
Why not?
Because he don't. It don't. What you mean?
I'm just asking.
Because it don't.
Huh?
It don't. He's not his parent. He's not his parent.
Okay. Why?
So
why are you yelling at me?
Because why would you ask me? Why don't I teach him? You don't know what I teach him.
Okay.
And you don't. Your kids don't mean that they go by your rules when they're not in your sight.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you just pissed me off telling me what I teach my kids and what I don't.
If you keep yelling at me, you're going to piss me off and I'm going to take you to jail.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. You're under arrest. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! You resist arrest, you're going to jail. You! Get on the ground now! On the ground now!
Don't move! Don't move! You on live! Everything you just did is on live. I promise you that. I didn't do nothing. I'm not a lawyer. You on live.
Hand behind your back.
You on live. Bitch, I'm glad you doing live. Bitch, you on live.
Get on the ground! Anybody who has to interfere, they're going to jail too.
You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You on live.
Get up. Get up. Please, come here. Get up. Get up. Get up. You want to go to jail too? Come on. Come on. You were under arrest for interfering.
I was trying to back up.
Yeah. Call interference.
Get away from you. I didn't touch you.
Get back or you're going to jail too.
I don't care.
Get back. Get back.
Go in the house. Okay, this is hurting my arms. I am 15 years old. This is
Get in the car.
oh, that's it.
Get in the car. Y'all started this. Get in now. Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. Okay, me too.
You a pig ass pig. You a pig. I'm Jesus Christ. You a pig. You a pig ass pig. You a pig ass pig.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Yeah, you want to interrupt. Okay.
You a pig ass pig. And I recorded what you just did. When you kicked up it was recorded.
Okay, you're going to jail too. Interference. That phone is evidence.
No.
Let go of the phone.
He can't take my phone, Kenny.
You touch again, you're going to jail.
He can't take my phone, Kenny. He can't take my phone, Kenny.
Yes, I can. Let go of the phone.
He can't take my phone. I got you.
Hold on, the phone with a few people.
Mom, record it. I got you. And I'm still recording. And I'm still recording.
Me too. Except mine's in HD.
Which one has this location?
You recorded, baby. You recorded. You recorded. You're a pig.
Oh, I got 3 in custody. I think it's starting to calm down a little bit.
That officer got 10 days suspension, and Jackie Craig got $150,000. The Fort Worth City Council okayed millions of dollars to be spent on flock cameras to keep the citizens safer, or to spy on them. One of the flock cameras, F-L-O-C-K, that's what they're called, flock cameras, because they're watching a flock of sheep, spotted a stolen vehicle. Instead of waiting for that vehicle to stop and see who was in it by using the flock cameras, they gave chase, and they chased through 5 intersections, putting many people in danger. That stolen vehicle finally ran over some strip sheets, and this is what happened next.
The suspect vehicle's tires eventually began to shred and fall apart. The vehicle also began to lose its traction.
Just on another note, how would you like to be the owner of that vehicle and get it back in that kind of condition?
Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Do not let him get toward
We're at 28th and McKinley. He is taking a car at gunpoint. Shot fire! Shot fire!
In all, 64 shots were fired. 4 hit the suspect. My question is, where did the other 16 shots go, or could have gone? And what is the chase policy? Are they allowed to chase for 30 minutes through busy intersections, just like these officers did? They released this body camera almost immediately because they were proud of their actions. And they investigated themselves and found no wrongdoing of anything. Welcome to Fort Worth. By the way, this suspect lived.